Hi, this is Mark Keene. A customer of ours sent us a video of their new 6220 Super Max dredge running in Madagascar. You can see here in the video the guys are going through a basic startup and prime procedure, getting ready to go into production with the machine. Alright, so the dredge is up and running and working fine. You'll notice they have about 4 different people on board. That's obviously a little bit much, and it's not conducive to optimum fine gold recovery, but the dredge seems to be handling it okay regardless. So with all the guys on board the dredge, the machine has a hard time sitting flat. So we made a modification in the side boxes. We added some expanded metal on the lower half of the box, and what this does is it allows the dredge to, in other words, it makes it much more forgiving. So if the machine is out of balance or whatever, your side boxes are much more reliable. You'll notice the flow in the center box and the side boxes is obviously really slow, and we built a very wide center box. You can see it's just barely moving the rocks out of it, but this makes a huge difference on getting all that material slowed down so that the sump can suck all the fine material and pump it up into the side boxes. Now, in watching the video, I've noticed a couple things too. It looks to me the guys are running the side boxes a little bit high on performance, or a little bit too much water. They just don't quite understand that you have to keep the side boxes turned down, because sometimes it just takes a really smooth, slow flow to capture that 200, 300, 400 mesh, flower gold. Here's a shot of the box just when they shut it down. Now, we did discuss after they ran this they needed to increase the pitch or the angle of the box just a little bit. Here they're running at about 4 or 5 inches drop. We kicked it up to about 8 inches drop, and it's working a little better. But you can see, even with it running a little flat, look at that amazing concentration of black sand. I mean, this, you could tell the main sluice, even without the sump, is doing an amazing job. And this is a very, very tough area to work. Most areas are not this difficult. This is heavy, heavy black sand concentrations and microscopic fine gold. Okay, this is their first cleanup, and you can tell the dredge is doing the job. Look at that fine flower gold. You don't see this very often, and that's super, super fine.